Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and today we are at Club Champion to take our annual look at driver comparisons. And to join us, well, it's Club Champion Master Fitter Kit Mungo. Kit, thanks for joining us.
Well, you're welcome. Thank you for being here.
Now, first off, I should tell people that Kit had done a full fitting with me, so we have some experience hitting the golf clubs a little bit.
Yes, we do.
Now, for 2020, all sorts of new drivers are out, and you've already been fitting a lot of them into a lot of different players. Let's run through a couple of them, just kind of see what some of the high points are.
Great.
And we'll start with one that's been really popular. That's the Callaway Maverick, which has that artificial intelligence in the face to really deliver a booming, powerful impact.
That's correct. The Maverick has got extra ball speed this year. We're seeing this new model from the last model showing a couple more miles an hour in ball speed, but primarily it's spread across the face. So the off-center hits are developing more club head speed and ball speed.
And that club head speed going up also because they have a new aerodynamic design.
Correct. That's exactly right.
Tailor-made right out there, as they are every year at this time with the new Sim driver, and it is really talking about weight distribution and getting it spread all over so that you're getting the most forgiving contact.
Yeah, they're primarily into benefiting the MOI, the moment of inertia, spreading that center of gravity across the face from a different aspect than what Callaway's doing. So we're able to move the weights around with the TaylorMade, primarily in the initial TaylorMade. The Max is not so much. The Max has one weighting system, but the Sim has the MOI spread mostly across the face.
It has the twist face technology and the speed injection, so it's going to be a very hot face.
Correct. That's correct.
And you talk about speed, well, that's what they're talking about with Cobra, the new speed zone drivers. Last year, it was that really incredible design of weight distribution. This year, they've added to it, made it even faster.
Yeah, they've created a new face, and it's called the infinity face. And they're using a milled process where they can spread the center of gravity across the face using portions of the golf club head that are thinner than other parts. They're using the face thickness and then also the MOI to create higher ball speeds.
And the interesting thing with that club is it has a little bit different design because it has a chassis kind of like a T-top on a car where it's not one giant crown, it's two crown pieces.
Correct. Yeah, it's really familiarity with an F1 sports car that they're using in the races.
Of course, when we're talking about fitting in clubs, you have to talk about Titleist, and there are 4 different drivers with the T1, T2, T3, and T4.
That's correct, and the T4 being the lowest spinning of the driver, the deeper face, providing a little bit more options in terms of what we can do weighting-wise, ability to move the weight back, far back, but yet maintain a lower spin. So it's a higher MOI with a lower spin.
And new for 2020 here at Club Champion, you have the new Cleveland Launcher HB Turbo driver, which is designed to just launch the ball, just like its name.
Correct, and that works out great for our slower club head speeds as well, being able to get the ball up in the air. So it's just the opposite of what a lot of the companies are trying to do, which is lower the launch.
Now, if people want more information about getting fit and coming to Club Champion, where do they go?
Go to our website, clubchampiongolf.com, and you can secure all your information there. You can read about us, you can read our reviews, and get your information to book a fitting.
All right, Kit, thanks for taking the time to join us.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
I want to thank Kit Mungo for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.